are doing?
Because of network problem, not able to see completely.
Okay. So quickly, I'll show it to you yesterday's thing.
Okay, sir.
So yesterday we were launching the Google search campaign, right? So to launch Google search campaign, what is needed is first thing
But
you need.
still,
I'll,
screen is not visible.
I'm sharing it,
Oh,
right? So we are launching Google Ads. Launching Google Ads has multiple objectives or purposes. One is to drive traffic for your business when you are in the very initial stage. You won't be able to get traffic from day one from organic sources. So what you will do is you will pay to respective platforms and you will get lots of traffic to your website. You can get traffic to your website, right? And in order to get the traffic, you need ad copy. What has to be communicated or displayed to the user, right? Second thing, for which keywords you have to show up your business, you have to decide, right? Keywords, ad copies, and ad extensions, right? And along with this, you need couple of other details like which all regions you should be targeting. So I want to show ads to people all residing in Bangalore, and I want to show ads only in Bangalore, right? And I want to show only to male or only to female. Okay, so you need this level of understanding. You need data of keywords. You need ad content, ad extensions information, right? And now you have information or target. If you are known with the targets to people from Bangalore or people from Hyderabad or people from Chennai or across the country, only metropolitan cities, you should know this, or male or female or everybody, right? So understanding of that will all help you. With all these details, you will be able to launch a campaign. Yeah. So to launch the campaign, so what have you done yesterday? We'll go through the yesterday's campaigns first. Yesterday we have launched a campaign called some pickle manufacturer, correct? So this is which we launched yesterday. Okay. So this is campaign name, pickle manufacturer search. So this is campaign name. Inside this, there will be ad group, right? And you can have multiple ad groups inside this. So yesterday we have put only one ad group. So you can add one more ad group, right? And within this ad group, you have keywords, right? And for all these keywords, you will have an ad representing it, showing it. More ad groups. See, based on the keywords, you might want to show customized ad. So, for example, I will group all pickle manufacturers as keywords and pickles wholesale as separate set of keywords, right? So, see now why we have to separate the keywords is not all the keywords function in the same way. See now we have combined all the types of keywords, bulk, wholesale, manufacturers, correct? But what you can do is you can separate only, you can restrict only manufacturer keywords for one ad group, wholesale for another ad group, bulk for another ad group. Now why we have to do that? One advantage is you will be able to control the budget of CPCs for each of this ad group, right? So in case if you think wholesale manufacturers is working well, wholesale keywords are not at all working at the top level, you will pause the campaign, pause the ad group itself. Now you have one ad group. Let's say this ad group name is manufacturers. Manufacturers. Now I will have one more ad group called wholesale. So I'll probably call this as wholesale. I can replicate also, and one more ad group called bulk. Now this ad group, the first ad group will be for only manufacturer related keywords, second ad group for only wholesale, third for only bulk. and accordingly you will be able to write the ad copies only with manufacturer, only with wholesale, only with bulk. So one of the advantages, you will be able to control at the top level. If you want to pass all manufacturer related keywords, just pass the ad group. If you want to pass all the wholesale related keywords, pass the ad group. Same way for you, manufacturers become super important. So increase the CPCs for all manufacturing group, right? And third thing, you will be able to write a custom ads. So your ad copy can only contain pickle manufacturers but no wholesale term, right? So you all have to understand one more thing: pickle wholesale ad showing pickle wholesale for pickle manufacturer keyword may not be that appropriate. People will not tend to click. If people see what they are searching for, I am searching for pickle manufacturers, and if the ad is pickle wholesale, there will be ads pickle manufacturers, pickle wholesale. The chances of me clicking on manufacturers will be very high because I am searching manufacturers, not wholesale or not bulk. Correct? So there is a tendency people click on it when they see what they are searching for, right? From that perspective, you can have customized ad for each group or set of keywords, right? So that way you will be able to grab more CTR. And let's look at the settings here. What all is permitted at the ad group level? At the ad group level, it's loading. See, at the ad group level, you can change the bidding type, maximizing click, right? Even the landing pages, when you are changing ad copy for manufacturers, you can have one set of landing pages, and for wholesale, you can have different landing pages. You can control all of those things. Okay. And within the ad group for manufacturers, now we have the ad copies. If it is wholesale, for wholesale also we will have set of ad copies written. Yeah. So this is what we launched yesterday, right? See, in this only we are fitting buy at wholesale prices, homemade pickles, everything. So if we had separate, you can have three ad copies now for three ad groups, and each ad group can contain multiple ad copies. This is called as, everybody following, right? This is called as ad copy, and for every ad group you can have multiple ad copies. Different ad groups. See, keywords are at the ad group level. Ad group. See, ad group holds keywords, and for this keywords it shows ad copies. Okay. So keywords belong to ad group, and ad copy also belongs to ad group. The name itself indicates ad group. It's a grouping for different set of keywords. Sorry, ads, different set of ads, and every ad group can have multiple uh, ads. So I'll show it to you. What all is controlled at the ad group level, I'll show it to you. What all is controlled at the campaign level, I'll show it to you. I have documented it for your ease to learn. So we have learned all these match types also. Yes. See, at the campaign level, you have targeting. You can set the targeting budget. See, let's look backwards. Ad group one. Ad group will have in it keywords, ad copies, and ad extensions. Do you all see that? Keywords, ad copies, ad extensions. And ad group level, you can add negatives, and at individual keyword level, you add negatives. So same way. So this is one campaign. For one campaign, you have ad group one and ad group two. Okay. So I'll add one more. Okay. Yeah. So on campaign level and at ad group level also, you will have control over the bit type. I have to add that as well. Keyword, match type, ad rotation. What else can be controlled at the ad group level? Ad rotation and landing page as well. Keyword, match type, ad rotation, and landing page setting. Okay, this all can be controlled at the ad group level. And at the campaign level, you will be setting targeting. Like I want to show ads only for Bangalore region. Budget, I want to spend 500 rupees per day. Bidding, I'll set the maximum bidding method or type. Okay, bidding method is maximize clicks or conversions goals whatsoever it is, and the CPCs or the maximum price for that as well. So campaign level negatives, marketing objectives, marketing objectives such as traffic, leads, sales, reach, something like that is the marketing objective. And networks such as search network, display network, all this also can be set at the campaign level. So at campaign stage, see now this the hierarchy follows first. Top level it's campaign. Within campaign there will be ad group, and within ad group there will be keywords, ad copies, then ad extensions, right? And you can have negatives. You can have and under settings. This all the data or information that you can have. And at the ad group level, the control of things will be like enabling, pausing, ad rotation, landing pages, right? So you can have all these kinds of controls at the ad group level. Controls and data. There are two types. Ad group has certain controls, right? But campaign has very important and highest level of control at the top level, right? What are they? Targeting, budget, bidding method, campaign level negatives, marketing objectives, network targets, search network, display network, something like that. Did you all get that, everybody?
Yes, sir.
You all understood? Okay. So will you be able to launch a campaign by yourself? So here is another example. Java course is a campaign name, and within the campaign there are ad groups like boot camps, institute, certification, online, and every ad group has keywords. So look at the keywords Java bootcamp, and here since it is institute, we have institute related keyword only. Correct? Since it is bootcamp, we have bootcamp related keywords only. And look at the ad copy, how is it at best Java training bootcamps. And here ad copy will be institute, not bootcamp. Accordingly, ad extensions can be anything certification, certification related keyword, and certification related ad copies. Right? Manufacturers. But now, so this ad group, this campaign which we have launched, oh, guys, are you all there? Can you hear? Everybody, do you see the screen? Guys, are you all there? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Nirup, has to come. Okay. So I think I may have to share my screen again. Okay. So now this campaign which we have launched yesterday can show. See, because we are bidding in on the phrase match, right? So look at this. What are we bidding on? So we have bidding on pickle manufacturers, correct? So now this has potential to rank for keywords like pickle manufacturers in Bangalore, pickle manufacturers in HSR layout, pickle manufacturers Kormangla, pickle manufacturers Karnataka, pickle manufacturers Chennai, pickle manufacturers Tamil Nadu, pickle manufacturers. So many keywords. This one keyword can trigger for few tens of keywords. See, all these are fine. Pickle manufacturers Karnataka, HSR. But what if this is pickle manufacturing process? Pickle manufacturers profits, pickle manufacturers investment. These are all irrelevant, right? They are researching, they won't get the business, correct? So now if I have to block such keywords, I can add those negatives here at the ad group level. Negative search keywords, you look at this, I can add the negatives at the ad group level, or I can add the negatives at the campaign level, or I can add negatives at the account level. Negatives can be added at the campaign level, account level, ad group level. I'll show it to you. So negatives. So now at the campaign level for manufacturers alone, I will add wholesale as the negative, because this ad group should not rank for keywords like wholesale or bulk. So I can add keywords like, right, add to ad group manufacturers. So ad group is manufacturers, correct? So negative keywords is wholesale. Negative keyword is bulk. So if I had another ad group like wholesale, for that I would have added manufacturers and bulk as the negatives. Same. So this way I can add negatives at the ad group level. See, two negatives are added at the ad group level. Level is ad group, match type is phrase match, and to which we have added manufacturers. Right? Now this ad group, now this ad group will not show ads for wholesale and bulk. Did you all get that? Because at the ad group level, I have added wholesale and bulk as negatives. So this ad group will show ads only for keywords that contain manufacturers in it. Got it? Right? So this level of control. So when I have additional campaign like wholesale, so I'll have to again create ads and all, but you are able to relate, right? I can create one more. ad group here, correct? So I can simply edit duplicate, copy, cut, paste. Okay. So I am pasting it. So I have to select a campaign to paste that ad group. So I'm selecting pickle manufacturer search, done. So it shows copy manufacturers. Now I'll change it to wholesale, paste, run in
Green
background.
has got stuck.
Sorry, screen have stuck.
Upward stuck.
It's stuck. Is it stuck or are you able to see?
Now okay, sir.
So I am creating one more ad group called wholesale. For that, what did I do? A copy pasted manufacturers only. It's still working. It's it's pasting. So it shows copy manufacturers. I'll change that to wholesale. It's that simple also. It's taking time. So I showed you adding negatives at the ad group level, correct? So now you can add negatives at this campaign level also. Yes. See now for manufacturer ad group, I don't want to show for keywords like wholesale and bulk. And for wholesale camp ad group, I don't want to show for keywords like manufacturers and bulk. Correct? Now all two ad groups should not be shown for keywords like process, video, making, pickle manufacturer, investment. Correct? So for such keywords, I can add such keywords at the campaign level, right? And now I don't want to there will be set of keywords which are applicable to the complete website, complete campaigns. Those can be added at the account level, right? So for example, yeah, it's copied. Hello, hello, yes, yes, yes. Hello, you're all there, right?